Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide or show this Cortana icon on your taskbar, right? So that's what I'm going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now to show this Cortana, let's say maybe you want to hide it. So as you can see, it's showing on mine. So to hide, just come to your taskbar, right click on it, and then you can, this tab should be opening up. Now you see it's marked on here. As you can see, it's showing. So if you want to hide it, just unmark that, and then as you can see, you have hidden it, right? To turn it back on, just right click on your taskbar and then show Cortana button, and then as you can see, it has been shown, right? So that's how you can turn it off. So I'm just going to turn this off, and then as you can see, it has disappeared. So that's how you can turn your Cortana button on or off on your taskbar in Windows 10. So yeah, that's it. It's really simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I bring a tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.